Bayer Leverkusen latest full squad update 2025. Lucas Hradecky, age 35 year, country Finland, position goalkeeper. Matej Kovar, age 24 year, country Czech Republic, position goalkeeper. Niklas Lomb, age 31 year, country Germany, position goalkeeper. Piero Hincapié, age 23 year, country Ecuador, position defender. Jonathan Tah, age 29 year, country Germany, position defender. Mario Hermoso, age 29 year, country Spain, position defender. Edmond Tapsoba, age 26 year, country Burkina Faso, position defender. Arthur Augusto Arthur, age 22 year, country Brazil, position defender. Alejandro Gimaldo, age 29 year, country Spain, position defender. Nordi Mukiel, age 27 year, country France, position defender. Jeremy Frimpong, age 24 year, country Netherlands, position defender. Ginuel Belocian, age 20 year, country France, position defender. Jonas Hoffman, age 32 year, country Germany, position midfielder. Robert Andrich, age 30 year, country Germany, position midfielder. Florian Wirtz, age 21 year, country Germany, position midfielder. Emiliano Buendia, age 28 year, country Argentina, position midfielder. Alex Garcia, age 27 year, country Spain, position midfielder. Exquiel Palacios, age 26 year, country Argentina, position midfielder. Granit Xhaka, age 23 year, country Switzerland, position midfielder. Martin Terrier, age 28 year, country France, position striker. Patrick Schick, age 29 year, country Czech Republic, position striker. Alejo Sarko, age 19 year, country Argentina, position striker. Nathan Tella, age 25 year, country Nigeria, position striker. Amine Adli, age 24 year, country Morocco, position striker. Victor Boniface, age 24 year, country Nigeria, position striker.